Will you marry me?
What did you just say?
Oh, I'm proposing to you.
Oh, Mindy, you're proposing to me.
Yes, Ryan. We've been dating for 4 years.
I know.
And I want us to get married and build a happy family together, Ryan.
Mindy, I love you very much. You know that. But I don't think it's the right time to talk about marriage yet.
What are you saying? Ryan, you don't want to marry me?
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying it's not the right time.
You know, Ryan, we've been together for 4 years. I was 24 when we started dating, and now I'm 28.
Age doesn't matter, my love. You're still beautiful to me, no matter how old you are.
No, Ryan, age is a big deal for women. A woman doesn't have many fours in her life.
You're overthinking this, Mindy. Calm down and listen to me. Let's date for a little longer. Can you give me some more time?
Give you more time? Exactly what am I waiting for?
You know, my job is not stable right now, and I don't have my own place yet.
But I have my own business, and we can live in my apartment.
I don't want to depend on you, my love.
Ryan, you know what? I feel like you're looking for any excuse not to get married.
You're starting this again. We always argue when we talk about marriage.
Yes, we always argue about marriage because I want to get married and you don't.
Let me tell you one last time. I'm not saying I won't marry you, just not now.
I don't think I can wait any longer.
I'm tired. I don't want to argue with you all the time.
So let's break up.
What did you just say?
I said, let's break up.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. I can't continue a relationship with someone who doesn't want to marry me.
It seems like you've made up your mind.
Yes, Ryan. Either we get married or we break up. I need a clear answer from you.
I said we should date for a little longer. I think things are pretty good right now.
I don't feel that way. You know, all my friends are getting married.
Just ignore them. Everyone has their own life.
I'm sorry. I can't. I think it's time for me to make a decision.
All right, if you want to break up, I agree.
I have a feeling you've been waiting for me to say that. Fine. Goodbye.
Goodbye.